Welcome to the channel again. Today's topic is thermochemistry.
Fendi Prada, basic bitches wear that shit so I don't even bother. Gucci, Louis, Fendi Prada, basic.
What is thermochemistry? Thermochemistry is the study of heat change when chemical reactions occur. Chemical reaction can be divided into two. That is, exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction.
What is exothermic reaction? Exothermic reaction is a reaction that releases heat to the surroundings. It causes the temperature of surrounding rises, and the product is getting warmer than reactants. Here are a few examples of exothermic reaction. Firstly, we have respiration. Respiration is an exothermic reaction because it occurs in the mitochondria of living cells in order to release energy in form of heat from food molecules. Secondly, we have explosion. Explosion happens when chemical in the explosive substance react and it releases energy in form of heat, light and sound. And lastly, we have freezing process. During freezing process, the water in liquid form turns into solid form. In order for freezing to happen, water releases heat energy into the surroundings.
Next is endothermic reaction. So what is endothermic reaction? Endothermic reaction is a reaction that absorbs heat from our surroundings. This is because the temperature of our surroundings drop or decrease. And the product of endothermic reaction is colder than the reactants.
These are some examples of endothermic reaction in our daily life. First of all is cooking. Cooking food is an endothermic reaction since food receives heat energy through cooking. Second is the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is an endothermic reaction because sunlight is being absorbed during the reaction. And the last but not least, the baking. The flour, yeast and other ingredients used in creating the dough are heated. They absorb the heat, making chemical reactions happen. Let's take a look to the change of energy in both reactions. In an exothermic reaction, the change of energy is from chemical energy to heat energy, while in an endothermic reaction, the change of energy is from heat energy to the chemical energy.
Let's look at this situation and discover what is the type of reaction that happen in these situations. Firstly, we have instant cold packs. In instant cold packs, there are ammonium nitrate and water. When we want to use it, we will squeeze the packs, resulting into a reaction that happens between ammonium nitrate and water in the cold packs. This reaction will absorb heat from the surrounding, which will cool down the pack. Therefore, the reaction of instant cold packs is endothermic reaction. After that, we have rusting. Rusting of iron happens when iron reacts with oxygen. The reaction will produce iron oxide. Formation of iron oxide requires a release of heat energy. So, rusting of iron is an exothermic reaction. After that, we have evaporation. Evaporation happens when water evaporates and turns into water vapor. During evaporation, the bond between water will need to be broken. In order for the bond to be broken, heat energy has to be absorbed, which will make evaporation an endothermic reaction. Lastly, we have condensation. When water vapor condenses, its particle is actually releasing energy in form of heat, which will result into change from water vapor to water. Therefore, condensation is an exothermic reaction.